mo bang parang laging shiny ang mukha mo? Guys, kung lagi mong nararamdaman na para kang nag-glow pero hindi sa magandang paraan, baka oily skin na yan. Una, kung ang T-zone mo, forehead, nose, at chin ay parating nag-iilaw sa shine kahit ilang beses ka pang mag-powder, that's a sign. Yan ang oil glands mo, overactive at nagpaparamdam. Pangalawa, kung nagkakaroon ka ng frequent breakout, lalo na sa mga oily areas, ibig sabihin, too much oil is clogging your pores. Pangatlo, kung parating nag-slide off ang makeup mo kahit kaka-apply mo pa lang, it's because your skin is producing more oil than it needs. Kung nakakaranas ka ng mga ito, it's time to rethink your skincare routine. Tandaan, healthier skin is a reflection of proper care, don't neglect it. Kailangan ng balance, hindi sobra-sobra. Ingat!